Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change who can see your following list to everyone on TikTok. So let's get started. Firstly, open TikTok app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next, tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Next, tap on privacy. Then scroll until you find following list. Next, tap on it. After that, you can see the option of everyone. Tap on it. So this is how you can change who can see your following list to everyone on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.